One of the least well-known but most highly attractive parts of the UK coast runs from Lancaster to the Solway Firth, and there's no better way to explore it than by using the scenic Cumbrian coastline via Barrow and Whitehaven to Carlisle. The 114-mile journey around the Cumbrian coast begins here at Carnforth. The overhead wires are a telltale sign that this is the junction with the West Coast Main Line, although the two platforms here are used only by trains to and from the Cumbrian coast, or to and from Leeds via Wennington.